Hi, this is Gautam. Now I am going to explain casetools lab experiment 5, that is about state chart diagram. State chart diagram in the document various modes that causes the class have been gone through and events cross a state transition. In this state transition model, the transition is the single class, and here in the state transition diagram, they have given two questions, and first one is for the customers complaints about the products, and the second one is for the patient billing software in a hospital. And here I have done the state diagram for the both questions, and here the first one is for the for the organization of customers complaints about the products. And here the organization first state diagram will be started with start, which is like this dotted symbol. And here these are the organizations which have been given. And here in the organizations, they have been different is handling different spaces. And here the first the complaint handler, if any complaints are being given, the complaints will be gone to here. And if the products unavailable, the products availability check, representative check for if it is not available. And do entry first in an organization, entry for the receive order. Next receive complaint for and feedback. Do exit and delivery of the order. So here the organization will be complaint three main choices. And next if the complaint handler will handle all the complaints which have been sent from the customer complaints. And inside the complaint handler, they have been synchronized, which divided into three blocks, which is based on make, and based on tracking, and based on delivery, which are the complaints through different has been given here. After the complaint has been handled, it will be sent to the here it is the stop. So after complaint has been received, then it will be sent to the stop, and it will be finished for the complaint handling. Next, if the in the organization, if the product is unavailable for the receive the order, if the organization has received the order and the product is unavailable, then it will be sent directly to add to the wish list, and send to the stop. And starting and exit. And if for the for the customer, if the customer receive the product, do entry. If they receive the product, then place order. It will be coming from the organization, so customer will get the place order. And next check for the products. So product will be mailed through the user's product mail, and organization will be given the product. And next is for the make payment. It will be for the make payment, we will go to the block payment. Inside the payment, there will be different modes will be present in the payment, and the process will be completed here. So for that, I have given this final flow chart diagram. And that when the transaction is done, it will be stopped. And when the customer receives the product, then the product will be received, and it will be directly connected to the stop. And here, if the representative and if it is not available to the customer, then it will be sent to the product unavailable. And customer will place order through to the organization to place order. And use the product mail id will be sent to the organization, and the organization will be receive the check repository. And customer will pay the make payment from to payment. And this is my chart diagram for the uh, f- uh, chart diagram for organization of customers having complaints. And here the second question is to state chart diagram for patient billing software. So in a hospital, for the patient, we must give the billing for the patient. So here I have drawn that scenario. First, when we will start, and inside the hospital billing system, it will be reacted interaction with the patient. So when the patient will be sent to the here, it will be, it is a deciding point. So whether patient is sent to the ward or ICU. If ward, it will be allocated ward and machine bill. If ICU room charges will be present in ICU, and operation charges will be present. And finally, it will be transferred to the machine bill and check for the billing. After machine bill has been checked, and the discharge billing will be discharged, and it will be stopped. And this is my second question about patient billing system and state chart diagram. And thanks for watching.